Black Decker portable air conditioner not cooling. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm gonna teach you some of the solutions that you can do in order to fix the Black Decker portable air conditioner if it is not cooling. So in the solution one, what you can do is you can simply clean the air filters. For that you need to ensure that the unit that you are using is turned off and unplugged from the power source for safety purpose. Then you need to locate the air filters. They are usually found at the back or the sides of the unit. Refer to your user manual for the exact location. Slide and pull out the filters carefully. Now use a vacuum cleaner to remove the dust and debris from the filters. Wash the filters with a lukewarm water and mild detergent if they are very dirty. Then you need to rinse thoroughly and let them air dry completely before reinserting them into the unit. Once the filters are completely dry, you need to place them back into the air conditioner. Then you need to just plug in and turn on the air conditioner to check if the cooling performance has improved. If this solution doesn't work for you, then what you can do is you can try the solution number 2, which is to check and clean the condenser coils. For that you just have to follow the first step, that is to ensure the unit is turned off. Then you need to locate the condenser coils. This may involve removing a panel from the back or the side of the unit. Then use a soft brush or the vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment to gently clean the coils. Remove any dust, dirt or debris that may have accumulated. Then you need to replace any panels or the covers you removed to access the coils. Plug in and turn on the air conditioner to check if the cooling performance has improved. If this method also doesn't work for you, then what you can do is you can try the last method of ours, which is, and you need to ensure the proper ventilation. For that you just have to turn off your air conditioner, then inspect the exhaust hose for any kinks or obstructions that may be blocking the airflow. You need to make sure that the hose is properly connected to both the air conditioner and the window kit. If the hose is kinked, you need to straighten it out to ensure the proper airflow. You need to ensure that the hose is not too long, as this can reduce the efficiency as well. So shorten it if necessary following the manufacturer's guidelines. You need to ensure that the window kit is securely installed and that there are no gaps where hot air can re-enter the room. You need to turn on the air conditioner to check if the cooling performance has improved or not. So these are some of the methods that you can try to fix the issue that you are facing with your portable air conditioner. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.